Hi everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, we're going to learn a super useful trick in QGIS, how to create clickable hyperlinks directly within your attribute table. This means you can store website addresses, document paths, or image links in your data and then easily open them with a single click. It's fantastic for connecting your spatial data to external resources. Let's dive right in and see how simple it is to set up. First, you need a layer with an attribute table that contains a field for your links. Make sure this field already holds the full URLs you want to use, like https://www.example.com or a path to a local file. Once your data is ready, right-click on your layer in the Layers panel and select Properties. This will open the Layer Properties dialog. Next, navigate to the Attributes Form tab on the left side of this dialog. This is where we configure how QGIS displays and interacts with your layer's attributes. Now, in the Available Widgets section, find the field that contains your hyperlinks. For instance, if your field is named Website, select Website from the list. By default, QGIS usually sets the widget type for text fields to Text Edit. We need to change this. Click on the Text Edit drop-down menu next to your selected field. From the options, choose External Resource. This widget is specifically designed to handle links to external files or web addresses. After selecting External Resource, you'll see new configuration options appear below. You will want to ensure the path setting correctly points to your chosen field. QGIS usually pre-fills this correctly. More importantly, look for the Display a button next to the Editor option and make sure it is checked. This is crucial because it creates the clickable button in your attribute table. You can also customize the button text if you like, perhaps changing it from to Open Link for clarity. For web links, the storage mode should typically be Absolute Path and the Integrated Document Viewer can be set to HTML or left as Auto-Detect for general web pages. If you're linking to local files, ensure the path is correct relative to your project or absolute on your system. Once you have configured these settings, click Apply and then OK to close the Layer Properties dialog. Now, let's see our work in action. Open your layer's attribute table by right-clicking the layer and selecting Open Attribute Table. Scroll to the column corresponding to your hyperlink field. You should now see a small button next to each URL in that field. Go ahead and click one of these buttons. QGIS will then open that specific URL in your default web browser, or launch the associated application if it's a local file. It's that easy to make your attribute tables interactive and incredibly useful. This technique saves so much time and makes your data more dynamic. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and can start incorporating this feature into your QGIS projects right away. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more QGIS tips and tricks, please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. We appreciate you being here.